to refer to an adult female. Young woman, old woman, beautiful woman. She is a young woman with big dreams. An old woman was sitting by the fireplace. They described her as a beautiful woman with a kind heart. To indicate a specific role or profession: businesswoman, career woman, working woman. She is a successful businesswoman in the tech industry. As a career woman, she is dedicated to her job. Being a working woman and a mother is challenging. To describe characteristics or personality: strong woman, independent woman, confident woman. She's a strong woman who never gives up. An independent woman can take care of herself. A confident woman inspires those around her. To represent womanhood in general: women's rights, woman's perspective, woman's voice. Women's rights are essential for gender equality. We need a woman's perspective on this issue. Her novel captures the power of a woman's voice. Common collocations with woman: single woman, married woman, modern woman, successful woman. She is a single woman focused on her career. A married woman often balances work and family life. The modern woman is empowered and independent. She became a successful woman in her field.